on the EBITDA, absolute EBITDA number. So 462 crore is where the absolute EBITDA number has come in at. And EBITDA was expected to come in around the 480 crore mark, essentially. And that's why you're seeing the kind of knock that you're seeing on the stock. But of course, it's according to Sachin, it's a one-quarter thing. And maybe you want to, play this out from a slightly more longer-term perspective. And I think what he's saying or alluding to is that if you play it that way, you could still the stock could still do well, and the business is solid.
The other income part is 528 crores,
yes.
And that's what is pushing up the profits, which came in net profit for the period. Reported profits is around 717 crores versus 280 odd crores. That looks a little elevated, only on the back of the other income that has come in, which is 528 odd crores.
That's correct. That's correct. And 481 crore is where the analyst estimates for EBITDA were. Came in at 462 crore. So that's where the differential lies, and which is likely why you're seeing the kind of knock on the stock that you are. So that's broadly with regard to Dixon Tech. But we're rounding up very quickly. Sachin, any last thoughts? What is it that looks interesting that you're recommending to your clients at this point of time in terms of stock sector?
No, like I said earlier, we are clearly very positive from the valuations perspective and also the growth outlook. We believe the private sector banking today is available at very, very reasonable valuations. So from a risk adjusted or a risk reward, that's definitely one sweet spot.
Okay. All right. Let's start, capping in to close. And in terms of sectors for the week, and Sachin, we'll let you go. Thank you. Thank you for coming in and giving us that perspective. You look at sectors today: auto, defense, Nifty. You've got the Nifty Bank as well, to a certain extent, participating 0.5% higher. IT and FMCG were the key drags, 1% lower on both of those sectors for the week gone by. And this is where IT really stands out. It's been higher by 6.5%. Second straight week in which IT has been the top gainer sectorally. You've got the Nifty Auto also up 6% this week. So you've seen a very strong move on the auto index as well. Pharma was up 4% this week. You saw a decent move on consumption as well, 3% higher on consumption, 2.5% higher on the Nifty. Realty has had a choppy week, but despite that, ekes out a gain of 2% for the week gone by. The Bank Nifty, that's where participation has been tough. The going has been tough on the Bank Nifty. We're up just about 1% and flat on the Bank Nifty. I apologize for that. Flat on the Bank Nifty at close for the day. Defense and energy is where the pressure has been. Both of those indices closing marginally lower for the week gone by. But otherwise, it's been a very healthy week, because despite all that we've done, we're managing to close predominantly in the green for the week and for the day as well. But more importantly, sectors as well. We're largely seeing green across sectors. 2.5% is what the Nifty has made this week. So you've seen some good gains getting clocked in. The Nifty Next 50 has made 2.6%, largely in line. So there's no underperformance there from the Nifty's end of things. When you're looking at the mid-cap index also, that one too is up 2% for the week gone by. The small cap index, I'm just going to quickly pull that out. The small cap index too has done 2.4% for the week gone by. So that one also has done fairly well for itself. And both mid-cap and small-cap indices go home with gains.
Nifty IT is the index of the week, 6.7% up in today's. And then followed by you have Nifty Auto of 5.5%, Nifty Pharma, and Nifty Healthcare, giving nearly 4 and 3%. And consumption and rural is coming back in some way. So Nifty consumption index is up 3% and Nifty rural is up 2.9% in today's trade there. So we're ending the week on a positive note, good pullback which has come in, led by IT actually.
I'll just quickly point out stocks. Bajaj Finance is up 13% for the week gone by, largely because of the move today. Jio Finance is up 9%. Infi